According to a GMA invoice accuracy survey, invoice deductions amount to approximately 8% of annualized invoice sales dollars. The survey respondents also reported that 60% of deductions were caused by promotion, billbacks, and pricing errors, with price synchronization named as one of the top factors companies believe will decrease deductions. Park City Group is the premier provider of a suite of collaborative commerce services that help align the interests of the retailer and the supplier around better shelf execution. However, before retailers can work on more advanced collaborative commerce initiatives, it is critical that they align trading partner information systems and databases around item, price, and promotions. Data synchronization should therefore be considered a building block onto which collaborative selling relationships with supplier partners can be built. In today's retailer-supplier relationships, inefficient processes have been established over time. These inefficiencies cause delays, confusion, and a lack of visibility to real sales performance. Delays in new items reaching the customer, lack of visibility into which stores are carrying which items and whether they are in stock, and issues with pricing integrity are all symptomatic of less than efficient supplier data relationships. Lower sales, reduced margin, additional administrative and clerical costs, and the inability to focus on retailer-supplier primary goals are the result. The need to better synchronize data between retailers and suppliers is evident, but must be cost-effective and collaborative. Invoice deductions and discrepancies are a factor with both warehouse and DSD suppliers. But based purely on the number of deliveries and the frequency of promotion, the issue manifests itself particularly painfully in the DSD world. In a typical DSD supplier to retailer data flow, the process is still paper-based and manual. Supplier forms are given to retailers so that data can be manually entered into the retailer system and sent to stores to populate POS systems, receiving systems, and shelf tags. Typical DSD data issues. New item delay. New items are often rejected at the back door if there's been a delay in entering the data by the retailer. Even if new items are entered on a timely basis, any input errors of UPC code, item number, or any other critical data field can lead to delayed authorization. This results in lost sales, as new items are critical to any retailer's catalog. Alternatively, if the item is received at the back door, it will be not on file when the customer tries to purchase it. This can create a customer inconvenience and can lead to lack of faith in the retailer's pricing integrity. Another typical DSD data issue are allowances. The effective date range on DSD allowances is a never-ending battle caused by inaccurate communication as well as constant revisions by the manufacturers. This also affects margin, as retailers' promotions are heavily funded by CPG allowances. Another common issue is the inability to systematically identify supplier cost changes in order to ensure proportional retail reaction. Cost changes by suppliers may be entered into the system, but many retailer systems lack the sophistication to ensure that retails are adjusted to maintain gross margin relationships. This results in lowered margin as the retail price is based on the older, lower cost. All these examples of data issues between suppliers and retailers are addressed by Park City Group data synchronization services. If the retailer desires, they can set up a synchronization process with each supplier directly. These relationships are more time-consuming to implement as data interpretation and integration efforts are custom. Each set of trading partners set up a specific data relationship, and separate connections are required for each. The one-to-many relationship using Park City Group's data synchronization services provides the ability to maintain a single connection in order to synchronize with all participating suppliers. This allows for more time-effective implementation and lower costs in the long run. Park City Group becomes the data of record, and efficient processes are set up to ensure efficient electronic exchanges, timely information with regular updates, security and systems discipline preserving the originator's data integrity, version management, data tests against internal systems for accuracy, and communication links to resolve data test failures. Park City Group has a very successful, proven methodology around scan-based trading. As seen in this graphic, data synchronization is the fundamental building block required to begin a scan-based trading initiative. Data synchronization is also the fundamental building block for vendor-managed inventory and other collaborative commerce initiatives top retailers are undertaking. However, even when the next step to scan-based trading, vendor-managed inventory, or other initiatives is not taken, retailer-supplier data synchronization adds efficiency, reduces costs, and provides supply chain visibility and profit improvements. Park City Group clients are some of the most innovative, forward-thinking companies in retail. Please contact us for further information on Park City Group data synchronization services.